with them. And that is how you change a social script, my friends.
It's a workshop based on Sean Aker's work in The Happiness Advantage. He also wrote a parable called The Orange Frog, and it's about how positive psychology actually can change the brain so we can look through things through our brains with a different lens, finding the positivity in every day.
This program is really important to spread positivity and encourage students to uplift each other in the school environment. And for me, I have had a long process through high school being able to find my creativity and my true self, and it's really important for me to be able to share that with others, and knowing that I could be the positive impact and the change in the school environment is really important to be able for other students to continue that forward.
I think this program here will help students adapt to the environment and understand how to spread kindness and how to help other people learn and get comfortable with school.
Every day is not going to be good, but there's going to be something good in every day. And then if we can get kids to understand how that happens, and then to help them retrain their brains, they become more creative, more thoughtful, more open to new ideas. And that's really what it's all about, more accepting.
I actually think this program is important for every individual, not just as a program, but if some people can add it into their daily lives as wellness, maybe a couple checks, they can do a couple lists of what they're grateful for, it'll make a huge impact.
We're just doing a lot of really fun things to spread positivity and just awareness and spirit for everybody. Mainly talking about how much better it is to be positive and that so many more good things will come from it if you are positive.
Helping them understand and feel the workshop, understanding that sharing good news is a good idea. A lot of times we're really good at bringing people into what's happening down here at negative. We can change that and find good things, find the people who have helped us along the way. And at the end of the day, it's really an advantage when your brain can be in a positive state. They find more success that way.